Hello, Cherries viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Your mama come about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can I will share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. Now me a notification bell no. Say the video be able to one sabeka. In the business be Ghana tight. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, start say be use 200 g butter, 1/4 cup sugar. With a good boom. 1/4 cup water, 1/3 cup milk, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, food color yellow, 1 teaspoon vanilla. We are now beating it together. We beat here no. Now the 2 cups of pepper spray agum. Now I mix it amana for me dough. What the 1/4 teaspoon salt akahu. Over na flour this one now with another 1/2 cup akahu. One mix here, we need a to working surface soon one needy. One needy we know rolly. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. We are no wakati. And now we will let someone here flat me blade. Say necessary. Would you go baking tray so? What the milk a brush esro no? We are not baking 180 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes no, now we ye efi over ni mu. Now I'm manajo and san na wa serve. Yep, my just in the can I will show a video. Remember we subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. Now me a notification bell no. Say the video be better one sabeka. Now this is our Ghana tight recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.